Right, front section is in. Okay, so let me just turn the camera to the side. So, this is really awkward, sorry. Right, there we go. So, front right wheel, front left wheel, and where we previously had the middle section that way up on top of the rear section, it's now facing downwards, so back of the door, driver facing forward, steering wheel, steering column, steering wheel there going to the thing, and the roof is there, but that is upside down. That will come up like that, and that bolt there, and the opposite one will go into there. But I'm not too happy about doing that. As you can see, it's pretty much on an angle already, so I'm going to have to create some sort of if I want to put that on, I'm going to have to create some sort of sturdy jig that's attached to there to tip it up at an angle, so as it be safe. But already I've got some inspection points on here. I had to take that out. That was in here. I'm just going to go right the way through there to think. Now that was a mistake in the first place, because this is the footwell. This area here is the footwell for the driver, and I remember putting a pipe on here that it shouldn't have gone in. It should have gone in on there. There. Oh, there's already one there, so it needs to go from there, the equivalent symmetrical mirror of this one, which is there. This is so I think from there to there, we need one from there to there, so it will be the same length, exact same length as this one. I'll calculate that and calculate and put in and modify the CAD drawing to match. But yeah, it was right through the middle of this piece, from that point there downwards to that one over there, which obviously can't have. So plan is to do exactly the same thing as we've done with, where are they? This, and there's another one on there where yeah, it's embedded in this. Put equivalents on there and there. The stainless steel tubes, bolts on that, and that will be a primary way of bolting the whole thing together. Likewise, we'll need some. There's these tubes. I want these to be detachable as well. We can't have them sticking up, free floating off of the thing. So again, 316 tube on there, out to there to the roof section where it was, but also now you can see this is the windscreen port one that goes to the same point as this, the exact same point on the roof line. So that will triangulate and stabilize that. This has obviously been put in wrong. You can see these are supposed to support the side, but at the time that I did these to support this from wobbling about, because it's not a stable structure, that's the side of the door sill, obviously didn't do it right basically, and so that's got to go that way. So to detach that, that's going to be a pain in the neck, that is, because I remember doing this and this was on the floor at the time. So I think, yeah. Sorry. All of this. When I put these support structures on, it was actually, this was just flat on the floor. There was actually enough room here if I move that table back, but I want this out the way. So quite a bit of planning and recovery to do. all of these are a goddamn mess. I'm going to have to rip that out and hot glue it and then masking tape it up. Sigh. All good fun. It's okay. Yeah, we'll get there. I think, yeah, so you can see these two are dead straight on there, no problem. That one's going off way at an angle, so how the hell that happened, I really don't know, but it's got a... I know what it was. I remember this breaking off. That's what it was. I remember now. This broke off and I've since hot glued it back on, and obviously I've hot glued it in the wrong place. Sorry. That's annoying. That came off when came off when I brought it in from the outside from the carport. So obviously it's my fault for not putting enough hot glue on in the first place. Slightly irritating, but it's okay. So anyway, so 316 tube, 316 tube, 316 tube, 316 tube, 316 tube, 316 tube. It's funny, that's exactly the same number it was for the rear section, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on that one as well. That's very interesting. But yeah. Alright. So it's in, just time to get on with it.